In this journey of life, we meet so many people. Some of them make us laugh, some of them make us cry. Some leave a deep mark, and some of them just pass us by. But there are some people you can't ignore. Some who make heads turn. Some people you can't help but notice. And this documentary is about them. What can a piece of paper hold? Emotions, ideas, truth? Everybody thinks. Everybody sees something different. But there are those who see a side we don't usually see. And this documentary is about those people. Flint, apples, wire. To us, these are just objects we come across every day. But to some others, these are the small turns that led to a big revolution. Ideas that built up a fire. The ideas that keep us on our feet. And ideas that brought about an innovation. This documentary is about people who think different. People who break the rules. People who are out of the box. And the round holes in the square pegs. This is a tribute to those who thought different. People who move the world with a simple thought or idea. The people who made the word impossible, impossible. In them lies a fire to prove themselves, to change the world. For it is those who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world who actually do. So, what do we learn from them? Now just look at your own table. The technology that is involved in the things on just one table. A package without which life no longer seems possible. Just think now of how the discoveries of the past have made your life as comfortable as it is today. Some discoveries are by accident, but most of these are because somewhere somebody thought different. Today, we are the children who reap the benefits of a different thinking. Isn't it time we give some of it back to our own? Just think, if the same apple had fallen on your head, would you have been able to discover gravity? If not gravity, or the theory of relativity, or ahimsa, would you have come up with some idea that helped make a difference in someone else's life? Everybody thinks, only some of us do it differently. Thinking differently is an acquired skill. Just like learning to play a simple game of tennis. Anyone can. Vertical thinking. This is the kind of thinking that we're accustomed to through formal education. Effective ways of generating ideas through vertical thinking would be through chunking down or chunking up. For example, when you chunk down, you think coffee is made of coffee beans, sugar, chicory, and milk. When you chunk up, you think coffee is a stress buster, a stimulant, a day starter. Here you have 3 balls, pink, yellow and black. If you pick up the pink ball, you have to pick up the black. If you pick up the black ball, you have to pick up the yellow. Which 2 balls out of these 3 would you pick? This is a classical example of logical thinking. Ideas and facts need logical reasoning to arrange themselves consistently. This is what logical thinking is all about. To think in terms of cause and consequence, to think sequentially. Brainstorming is a thinking process that we follow almost every day. It is an idea-generating technique whose main goals are to break us out of our habit-bound thinking to produce a set of ideas from which we can choose. The best results are obtained when we think freely, suspending judgment, modifying ideas, and generating a quantity of ideas. Edward de Bono suggests the concept of 6 thinking hats to develop lateral thinking. You let every person look into the same issue with different perspectives, wearing a different hat each time. The white hat stands for facts and information. The red hat stands for emotions. While cautious judgment is done by the black hat, the green hat spells creativity and alternatives. The yellow hat is ever positive, while the blue hat remains at the high end, controlling the entire operation of thinking as a whole. Thinking is diverse. Different mind games have been evolved to stimulate creativity. However, the secret still remains that there's a far simpler method. A coffee place, a pub, a shop, on the phone, in the loo. Any place is a place to generate an innovative idea when you're fully aware of your surroundings and when you train your perception consciously to see things beyond what is visible. In our daily life, we see many things. Our favorite brand, our favorite movie, our favorite drink. Why do we remember just a few? Because they show us something we don't usually see. Everyone wants to be admired, respected. But most of all, they want to be noticed at some level, to be remembered or quoted for some idea or ideal. All one needs to do to achieve this is to think with an open mind, with fire and inspiration. Even the smallest idea can change the world. If you choose to win, to lead rather than to be led, to impress upon rather than be impressed by, and if you choose to be the one person that people cannot ignore, then think. Think differently. Anyone can.